Hello, welcome back to my channel. As promised, this vlog is all about our Airbnb tour, or where we stayed at in France, Annecy. So stay tuned and let me take you guys through everything.
Not all trash TV is a waste of life. Emily in Paris taught me that their ground floor here is the first floor. So we got a second floor, which is third floor. And this is what the access looks like. So you gotta come from there. That's the main entrance. These are the stairs. And obviously there's no lift, aka elevators here. It's not very common. So Anna's having a blast every single day, bringing stuff down.
I want to get the rest of the stroller.
Yep, doing multiple trips because that's life. Yeah, it's been fun. But yeah, this Airbnb is super cute. It's very convenient for the location that we're staying at. It's in the heart of the old town, so it's very convenient in that sense, but the access is the only problem.
Yeah, 3 sets of storage staircases.
Yeah.
A little tiny.
Imagine picking up all of those suitcases. 4 checked-in bags and 2 hand carries. So that was fun with a stroller and 2 backpacks. And the most important package right here. Anywho, here's the bedroom. Really nice. I don't know where the light is. I'm not sure where the light is. Anyways, I'll show you guys that later. But yeah, this is the apartment. Come in here. There's the kitchen. Here's the living room. Rian stroller. Rian. And yeah, this is the whole place. The view is probably one of the best things. If only I can, oh, there we go. This is Old Town Annecy. This is our view from our balcony. Restaurants right downstairs, mountain view. Yeah, it's freaking spectacular.
So far, yes, and then we'll check out the old town. I know, it's exciting. Wow, so exciting. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it.
The locks are super old school here. We got only 1 key, and you have to lock it from the inside as well with the key, so we can't really go anywhere. And it locks from the inside as well if you don't have the key with you. So if Adol takes the key, then I have to stay home all day. And this is super old school. This is connected to the light, and the light comes off every time you click that button. It has a timer on it and it shuts off every minute. It's my first time leaving the house without any stroller, so I usually carry the stroller with one hand and carry the car seat in my other hand, or leave the car seat upstairs, bring the bottom of it downstairs and put it down here, then run upstairs and grab Rian, which is such a pain. And this is our access right here. we have to throw the garbage back there. So there's like a garbage place down there. So we have to throw that out. And this is, so I'm gonna click this again just in case it doesn't shut off. This is our access. We are right next to a pizza shop and Chez Garçon, which is like an ice cream place. Like this right here. So that's our place right there upstairs. And this pizza place is amazing.
It's really common in Europe to live somewhere where they have stores or restaurants downstairs. So a lot of places will have apartments and such upstairs, but the restaurants are right downstairs. I lived on these waffles. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.